We stay in the US because there's a massive blizzard that is pounding parts of California and Nevada. The snowstorm has closed major roads, shut down ski resorts, and left tens of thousands of homes without power. The blizzard was especially severe in the mountainous Sierra Nevada region. People there have been warned of a high to extreme avalanche danger. Well, earlier we spoke to travel photographer Dakota Schneider, who lives in Mammoth Lakes and who found himself in the middle of the blizzard. It is currently dumping snow still right now. This has been a storm for the books for sure. Some Mammoth Lakes, where I live up in the Sierra Nevada mountains, and when people think of California they don't often think of snow, right? However, where our ski resort town is at, we're up at like 3,000 meters. So we're super high up in elevation, and on average most years we'll see somewhere around a 000 centimeters of snow a year. So right